Barbara here from Barbara Makes Crafts, and I am the founder, creator of BarbaraMakesCrafts.com, and I love to show you how to make all these fun crafty projects. Most of them we use our Cricut, but you can use any cutting machine that you have. So hop on over to BarbaraMakesCrafts.com, where you can find cut files, you can find my blog posts, and any announcements that I have, and I just appreciate you so much. And if you like this video, just go ahead and hit the like and punch the subscribe button. And while you're there, just ring that bell so that you don't miss out on one single craft that I put out. And today I want to show you how to make this adorable cord keeper. We all have cords these days that have to travel with us for our phones, for our computers, for watches. These cords run just about everything. And so I thought one of these would be handy. They'll be great. Like this has hearts on it. Great for Valentine's gifts. You can make different colors, different shapes and sizes for gifts for any occasion. Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, you name it. You can make cord keepers for, because we all know we need these cords, right? So these are super easy, super quick to make, and we are going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what we need to get started. You will need a sheet of faux leather. This is just a little over 8 inches by over 6 inches. But that's important to know when we get ready to make our designs. So you'll need that. You will need a strong grip mat, and this Cricut, the strong grip mat is purple. You'll need that. You'll need some tape to tape your leather down because it wants to slide around a little bit. And you will need some snap sets for this project. And this little kit I got from Amazon. It comes with everything you need, all the tools to punch the snaps in, and it even cut the little hole. You can also use a crocodile if you have one that will fit these. Mine is like a first generation, and it does not fit these snaps. So we're going to go on over to Design Space. Alright, so this is going to be super easy. We're going to add a circle to the canvas. And while that's adding, alright, and then we're going to look for an image, and we'll just add that one to the canvas. Alright, you can see that we have this, I don't know what you call it, I call it a pretty circle. And we want to make this one about, I'm going to go with 3.5 inches. So we're going to unlock it, and here put 3.5. So I'll just select the pretty circle, and I will just make it black so that it'll cut on the same mat. Now I'm going to go over to make it, and it's asking if we want to do it on the mat or off the mat. We want to do it on the mat. And up here, I'm going to make more than one of each. So I'm going to make 5 copies so that I get 5 of each. And then I'm going to hit apply. So it'll kind of save that setting. Alright, and we will go to the Cricut machine and continue there. So I'm just going to take these wheels and move them. Okay, so we've got that. The machine is ready for us to load the material. But before we do that, I'm going to tape this down on the sides just to keep it from moving during the cut. And now we'll press the C button. Alright, see how quickly that cut? It didn't take any time at all. next thing we're going to do here is put our snaps on. And this kit comes with 120 sets of snaps. And so for these, I think I like this kind of bronzy color. So you'll need to pick a little snap, and the piece that goes into it looks like that, and it's got that solid on the side, if you can see that. And then we need one of these, if you can see that, and it's just like that on the back, and one of these little guys, if you can see that, very small, similar to what we've already got. And then you will need your tools that come with your kit. This one comes with the tool that makes the hole in whatever you're trying to put your snaps in. It comes with it's convex, but it's a pointed end tool for your snaps, and then one that's concave. If you can see up in there, it kind of rounds up in, and that is for putting your actual snap piece on. And this silver disc is for laying under your piece to put your snap pieces on when you get to that point. So I'm going to do this one first, the rectangle one, and show you just how easy it is. I'm folding it in half, and just straight on my sheetrock here, because it's kind of soft, I'm just hammering straight down. Make sure that's gone through both sides. Well, it didn't even go through one side. I think it went through that time. It went down into my sheetrock. Okay, so we've got that. The next thing we want to do is, and you can do this in any order, it doesn't have to be this order, but I just put the snap piece that goes on the outside, and I put the snap piece that goes on the inside, just put that piece like that, and take your tool that kind of points out and put it straight down into your snap, like so. All right, and that snaps on just like that. And for your other piece, or the one that has the longer piece, we're putting on the outside. And the shorter little piece, which is your actual snap, goes on the inside. And now we take our concave tool, the one that goes in a little bit, put that snap down there. And there you go, you snap them together. And you put your little cord down in there. You can tuck it away in the suitcase and it won't run away. So let's do the circle one now. Pick out a snap. Let's do this kind of gunmetal color. Find the pieces we need for that. Okay, we just happen to grab them. All right. So now we're going to do the same thing here. Use our cutting tool. This, I guess, is the best way to describe this. Snap them together, and And there you've got your little cord holder. So that's it, guys. That's all you have to do to make these beautiful little cord holders using just simple shapes out of Cricut Design Space. You don't even have to use well, this one uses one of their images, but you don't have to use their images to do it. Just simple circle, rectangle, perfect. So guys, that was quick and easy, and I am so happy that you joined in to see how to make these cute little quick, easy cord keepers to give as gifts to keep for yourself. And like I said, you can do more solid patterns or different kind of patterns if you're giving them as gifts for Christmas. Mother's Day's coming up, Father's Day, Easter even. They make the cutest little gifts, stocking stuffers. They're perfect. All right, so please be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, that means the world to me to have you subscribe and hit that little bell if you want to get all the notifications. And if you like this video, please give it a like down below and leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite thing about this cord keeper is. Tell me what designs that you can come up with to make these cord keepers. And guys, I would love it if you would show me pictures of your gifts on my Facebook page. So until I see you again, happy crafting!